If you're trying to decide between bariatric surgery and GLP-1 medication, you're probably getting a lot of opinions and not enough facts. I've worked with people on both sides of this decision for years, and here's my honest take. Welcome back, I'm Tradina. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a developmental psychologist. If you've been sitting on the fence between bariatric surgery and starting a GLP-1 medication, this video is for you. And I want to say up front, I'm not here to push you in either direction. My job is to give you the clearest, most honest comparison I can so that you can have a better conversation with your medical team. Let me start with who I'm talking to. This conversation is most relevant if you're dealing with obesity, particularly with comorbidities like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, sleep apnea, or joint problems, and you're trying to figure out which treatment approach makes more sense for your life, your health, and your goals. Let's compare them across 5 areas. Area 1, weight loss outcomes. Both GLP-1 medications and bariatric surgery produce significant weight loss, but surgery, particularly gastric bypass and gastric sleeve, tends to produce greater total weight loss in the short and medium term. Studies have shown bariatric surgery consistently outperforms GLP-1 medications for total body weight reduction, though the gap may narrow as newer, more potent GLP-1 drugs emerge. Area 2, metabolic health. Both improve blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol, but bariatric surgery has something GLP-1s don't. Rapid, dramatic improvement in type 2 diabetes that can happen even before significant weight loss, likely due to gut hormone changes from the surgery itself. For people with severe type 2 diabetes, this is a major consideration. Area 3, sustainability. This is where it gets complicated because bariatric surgery is a permanent anatomical change. Your stomach is physically altered. GLP-1 medications require ongoing use. Stop taking them and weight returns for most people. Neither is a cure. Both require long-term lifestyle support, but surgery does have a built-in structural reinforcement that medication doesn't. Area 4, risk. Bariatric surgery carries surgical risks. Complications are rare in accredited centers, but they exist. GLP-1 medications have their own risks and side effects, which we've covered in other videos, including GI issues, which are rare but serious events, and the unknown of very long-term use. Neither option is without risk. The question is, which risk profile fits your situation? Area 5, cost and access. We've covered this in detail in another video, but briefly, insurance often covers bariatric surgery if you meet criteria. GLP-1 medications are increasingly covered, but not universally. That monthly cost without insurance is significant. My honest take as a dietitian who works with people in both worlds, these are complementary tools, not competing ones. Some people do both. Many people I work with use GLP-1 medications after bariatric surgery when their weight loss has plateaued. The best choice is the one that's medically appropriate for you that you can actually sustain. Before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join me inside of my free Facebook group called Bariatric and GLP-1 Support by Real Talk Nutrition. And if you're ready to go deeper, I have a monthly group coaching membership called the Real Talk Continuum. This is where we do the real work together, which includes nutrition, mindset, and the whole picture. The details for both the Facebook group and the monthly group membership are in the description below. If you found this video useful at all, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any episodes. I make new content regularly and I don't want you to miss anything. Until next time, goodbye.